Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving straight into how to use Todoist for sales pipeline management. This is your complete guide for 2025, so let's get started. The first step is to set up your Todoist account. If you haven't already, head over to Todoist's website, sign up, and download the app. This is crucial because it's the foundation upon which you'll manage your sales pipeline. Once your account is set up, it's time to create a new project. Click on the plus sign next to Projects, name it Sales Pipeline, and hit Enter. Now you've got the space where all your sales-related tasks will live. This helps us because it keeps everything organized and easily accessible. Next up, let's add your sales stages as sections within this project. To do this, click on the Add Section button and type in your sales stages. You might have stages like leads, follow-ups, negotiations, etc. The reason we do this is because it provides a clear visual of your sales pipeline and helps you track progress at each stage. Now, it's time to populate these stages with tasks. Click on the Add Task button under the relevant section and detail out the task. You can add due dates, labels, and priority levels. This is vital as it helps you understand what needs to be done, when, and in what order. Remember, you can always move tasks between sections. Just drag and drop the task to the appropriate section when the status of a deal changes. This feature allows for flexibility and ensures your pipeline is always up to date. To keep track of communication with potential clients, use the Comments feature. Click on a task and type your notes directly into the Comments field. This is a lifesaver because it provides a record of all interactions with a lead right on the task itself. Let me explain why this matters. Imagine you're juggling multiple leads and you can't remember the details about the last call with a particular client. Instead of digging through email threads or call logs, you simply click on the task in Todoist and all the information is right there. Once you've set up your pipeline and started using it, make sure to review it regularly. Todoist offers different views to help you get a comprehensive overview of your tasks. This is important because it helps you spot bottlenecks in your pipeline and prioritize tasks effectively. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. With Todoist, you have a powerful tool to manage your sales pipeline. By following these steps, you can keep everything organized, up to date, and within reach. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay focused, stay organized, and keep those sales coming.